Hello everyone, welcome back to the Gold Technical Analysis session with Mukmik. So, how have you been yesterday? Yesterday we had such an important news on the CPI, if you remembered, and that's the most the highest risk that we could have. So we didn't send out any signals. However, the price have formed some structure and there's the technique behind it. So I am really excited to talk that through to you guys. So at least if we haven't got the order, we need to learn something new today. Alright, so let's go straight to the chart. Here is the chart in the 4 hours time frame, and the reasons that I need to start from this is the replay chart, you guys, so it's not like the current price, but I just want to talk you through what happened yesterday. Alright, so we've got our supply zone here in the 4 hours time frame, if you remember. So red area, and if we drop down one time frame to the 1 hour time frame, we've got this one. We've got this QM pattern. You might be familiar with this pattern already because we use it quite a lot. So the price could break this trend line, and also the swing low is now lower than the last one. Okay, so that's the patterns that we will have our QM sell, and we could wait for the price to return back up so we can update our swing. That's gonna be the lowest swing, so I'll use my Fibonacci retracement, and our entry point would be somewhere between 61.8 to 78.6. That's the Fibonacci values for the QM patterns. So there we go. That's the QM sell that we actually could enter, but as I said, the risk was really high yesterday due to the news that we need to be really careful with. So I didn't send out this signal on the Telegram. However, I do update this plan to our students in the chat that we have together. So some of them got the order, and well done, congratulations on your profit. Alright, so let's see what happened. The price come back up, and then as you can see, it started to have some sell power here as the wick on the top is quite long now. Boom! Wow! Did you just see that? So once the news released, we've got this big red candlestick. This is like a phenomenal, you guys. But as I said, if the news is not like favor our technique, it is really risky as well to enter at this point. Alright, so beautiful order. I just want to talk about this to being a case study for everyone out here, so you learn something new and it's quite beautiful. Alright, so that's done for yesterday. Let's see what's the plan that I've got for you today. Okay, let me remove all the drawings first, and then we need to go to the daily time frame again. Alright, so really beautiful. We've got our supply zone here in the daily time frame, if you remember, with our resistance at around 1730. Alright, that's the major resistance that we had. And yesterday I said the price made this reversal pattern, so the next candlestick could be a bearish one, and it did. So beautiful bearish red candlestick, and I did say that you need to be really careful on buying golds. For the buying zone, you need to wait for the confirming signals, and yesterday the price falls down really strongly, so we did not have any confirming signals at where we were waiting around like 1710, if I remember it right. Yes, from yesterday there's no confirming signal, so don't go for a buy. we will come back and focusing more on the sell again. Okay, for today's candlestick, it is more likely to be another bearish one. All right, so that's for the daily time frame. Oops, let me put up this demand zone that have been with us and might be our good friend in the future. Maybe the next weeks or two. Okay, so we have our demand zone down there, and if I use my Fibonacci extension, we will have our 1.618 around the top border of this demand zone. So I would say if we go for a sell, our target would be this point. It's going to be our first target in the daily time frame. All right, so 1660. Remember this. So if you go for a sell, maybe you need to close your position before 1660. So let's go to the 4 hours time frame. We're still having our supply zone here, and we've got a new supply zone as well, as the price have break our trend line already. So this is going to be our trend line. All right, I said this one is going to be more significant. Okay, so that's the supply zone for the 4 hours time frame. And for the demand zone, is still there, but really weak. So I would not suggest anyone to go for a buy here at around this green zone. All right, in this 4 hours time frame, we've got a really beautiful pattern, which is a QM sell again, if you remember. So but we have it in the 4 hours time frame at the moment, which is a bigger time frame, and it's going to be, you know, more significant for the price pattern to use it. So if we have our QM sell, use the Fibonacci retracement, and our entry point would be at around 61.8 to 78.6. Beautiful. So that's the first plan for selling. Ooh, we have our significant levels at 1720 as well, and that's gonna be between that to 1726. This is the QM sell for the 4 hours time frame. So that's really beautiful. It is going to be our major plan for today. However, as this demand zone is quite weak, it might not have enough buy power to shoot the price back up to the QM sell that we are waiting. So another chance that the price could do is that it has this drop, maybe forming a base here, and then drop again. So we will have our brand new zone, which is the supply zone here. And if it did, you know, form this brand new zone, we will be waiting for following the selling patterns at around 1700. All right, but this is not happening, so I could not give you an exact number for this plan. All right, but it could happen. So, you know, keep this picture in your mind. If you have this break imbalance of the bearish candlestick, that's where we will consider a sell at around 1700. All right, so for today, I will only give you the selling plans because our target for buying is really far down here. So we have a lot of gaps for selling to test this demand zone down there for the daily time frame. All right, so that's the rough plan for today. I hope you learned something new today, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and also please click the subscribe button for us. Thank you very much. If you need a confirming signals, please follow us on our Telegram. It's the BUBI project, where I will keep you updated on all the plans that we've got throughout the day. I'll leave the registration link down below. I'll see you in there. Bye.